What's up, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Fizz. I'm the acupuncturist. Yes. Welcome to this channel. This channel is where I'm going to give some good information about how to be healthy overall. I'm going to explain to you what acupuncture is. I'm going to explain to you the acupuncture points we have all over our body. And as an acupuncture physician, I'm going to show you how I'm able to diagnose certain conditions and then come up with the right treatment plan for them. And my treatment plan, so basically how it works is that if a patient, when I see a patient, I do a full exam on the patient, okay? And then I come up with a treatment plan, usually with some acupuncture points, using acupuncture needles, right? And then I may or may not use some Chinese herbs also. All depends on the condition they have and stuff like that. When it comes to treating people with certain illnesses or conditions, okay, as an acupuncture physician, we don't want to just treat the problem. We want to treat the core of the problem. Why is it happening? Okay. So, for instance, if somebody comes in and says, "Hey, I have a headache or this and that," yes, we can probably help stop the pain at that, headache at that time. But as an acupuncturist, we're gonna try to figure out exactly what's causing the headache. Okay. And when it comes to acupuncture or traditional Chinese medicine, it's called seeing what the pattern is. What's the pattern? Okay, and by pattern I mean, is it what we call damp heat? Is it kidney yin deficiency? Is it spleen qi deficiency? I'm gonna explain all that stuff in more videos. Okay, so this channel is definitely for people who just want to live a healthier life. And as an acupuncture physician, it's all about doing things naturally. Your body wants to. If you're sick or injured, your body does a wonderful job of trying to heal itself, but sometimes it needs some help. Okay, and of course, there's time for regular medicine to help. Don't get me wrong, but I think in a lot of cases, acupuncture can definitely help, or Chinese medicine should help. Okay, just so you know. So again, I am a acupuncture physician. I'm working out of Miami, Florida. That's where I'm licensed in. I'm also a college professor. I actually teach acupuncture students acupuncture. So I've been practicing since 2014. All right, so so almost 8 years now, and I love doing it. I love doing it. I see all types of patients. I've treated all types of patients. I probably treat about between 20 patients a day, 20, 30 patients a day. Yes, I stay busy. Acupuncture can treat a lot of stuff. It can treat general pain, low back pain, sciatica pain. It could treat migraine. It could treat stress. It could treat tinnitus, which is, ringing in the ear. It could treat digestive issues, heartburn or constipation or bloating. It could treat menstrual issues. Acupuncture works wonders for menstrual issues, okay? It could treat if you have heavy period, painful cramps, PMS. We could treat all that stuff. Also, insomnia. Yes, insomnia, memory loss, or if you're healthy and just want to tune up, we could just keep you healthy, by just treating you at certain points. Okay, so acupuncture, believe it or not, does a lot. Most people don't know exactly what most people don't know what acupuncture can do because they get false information about it. So hopefully, I'm able to help you get a better picture of what acupuncture is, and what we do as acupuncturists. Okay, so again, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel now and turn on your notifications. I do plan to go live eventually on this channel, so that's gonna be cool because on the live you get to ask me questions, and I'm gonna try my best to answer them. Remember, I'm not giving medical advice. I'm gonna say it again. I'm not giving medical advice. Okay, I'm just providing information about acupuncture and what it does and what certain points does. Okay, so again, I'm not giving medical advice. If you have any questions or issues about your health, you always want to check with your regular doctor first. Okay, always check with your regular doctor first. This channel is just to give you information about acupuncture points, about what certain points do what. Okay, once again, I'm not giving medical advice on this channel. Okay, so now if you live in Florida, if you live in Florida and you want to then I could definitely help you physically if you live in Florida. Okay, so I'm licensed in the whole state of Florida. So if you need acupuncture done in Florida, yes, I can definitely help you with that. you know. So anyway, that's all I want to say for this video. So be on the lookout for future videos because I'm gonna get more in depth about acupuncture. And let me tell you, it's fun. It's fun. It may seem confusing at the beginning, but just stay with me, okay? And then once you get a nice picture of what I'm talking about, then you can be like, okay, it's not that bad, okay? So until then, my name is Dr. Fitz, the acupuncturist, right? You may see me on other YouTube channels because I have multiple what's the word? Interests, right? I believe in being the best you could be as a human being. So yes, I'm an acupuncture physician. I'm also a wildlife biologist. I'm also a songwriter. Yes, all that crazy stuff. And I'm not just saying that just to say it. I actually do those things for real. I'm about that life. Right? So anyway, once again, my name is Dr. Fitz, the acupuncturist on this channel. Please subscribe and like, and we're going to get right into it. Peace.